guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another tutorial, y'all. So I came with this bomb purple look. I love it. It got like sparkles in it, pink. You can see the pink fuchsia. I don't know if y'all can see it. I want to get into this tutorial. Hopefully my hand was not in the way of doing this tutorial. I don't think it was. But if y'all want to see how I achieve this bomb look, the hair tutorial will be up soon as well. Then keep on watching. Y'all, all right, so getting into this tutorial, I did want to do a talk through. I'm going to this James Charles palette, dark purple right here. I'm going to go into a 67 from Morphe, and I am going to put this on this pigment here. So this is like I would do the curve look, but it's like I'm moving it out. I used to stay doing these looks, y'all already know. Do this all the way into the inner tear duct area. Bringing it all the way into the inner part so that when I cut, you'll see that purple drag through the Cutcrease. So, palette that I created, now I don't know the name of this shadow. It's this one, like this medium purple. I want to go on top of that. I was trying to find another brush. I'm gonna use my 2-in-1. My BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm going with this shade right here. It's like a pink purple. I want to go back into my James Charles palette and deepen up that first shade. Using these like crazy, y'all. Crazy. To buy something like that, this is Ecstasy. One is basically missing that blue and those two together. Also gave me a discount code, so if y'all use Marie, y'all get some money off. What I'm doing is I'm going to fade these colors outward, and I'm going to add shimmer shades. Yeah, I've been trying to find a white shadow for the longest. So I'm gonna take this palette right here. This is from the Jack on Hill palette. Bfierce. I'm gonna go into this palette. This is the Makeupaddiction Holy Glow Fantasy palette. I'm gonna take the pink and then a purple. Tried some new foundation today, and I haven't tried this out before. Decay foundation is supposed to be their new Weightless liquid foundation up to 24 hours. 71WY. Pigment. E4 brush. I'm gonna take Mocha Mami from Fenty Beauty, and this is their bronzer. Take Fruits and Raven from the Crayon case. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Also, when you subscribe, press that bell button next to the side of the subscribe button so that you can always be notified when I upload a video. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.